Okay, today I'm cleaning our man cave. I got the rug out here. Of course, we took everything out of the room and set it outdoors since it's going to be another hot day. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some upholstery cleaning, rug cleaning, dusting furniture, mopping floors, etc. I'll be using all of my vacuum cleaners today, all of my main use vacuum cleaners in the house. My Kirby Diamond Edition. I'll be using it in both portable shampooer mode and rug shampooer mode. I'm going to use my vintage Kirby Model 519 that's been modified. I rebuilt it a little while back. Got HEPA filtration and everything. I'm also going to use my Dirt Devil hand vac for the upholstery and probably use the diamond and hose mode too for the corners and things. And then last but not least, I'll be using my Royal upright vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to get started.